Hi guys, it's Tendai Mavengeni here. I'm sure you watched the performance video, and now I'll take you into the vocals of Nhemamusasa. So Nhemamusasa is a Shona traditional song that is loosely translating to be prepared. Nhemamusasa, Nhemamusasa. Nhemamusasa is saying temporary shelter. Build shelter so that you have a place to stay before the war comes or before the harvest begins. Okay, so you notice that the first verse I was wailing. That is more like wailing hawkets and stuff. So you start from here. This is where I start singing from. So so I will do it more slowly so that you get it, okay? Yewonde.
Just when you showed us there, you showed us 3 pairs of notes that you sang along with, and you left the last pair of notes silent so that we could really hear how it matched up. For those people that are thinking, where's the 4th pair of notes? I just looked over your shoulder here, and you repeated the 3rd pair. So we have... and that one that came again.
So our song starts from this note. So
you're stopping. I want to hear the next pair.
Okay.
And again. And again. And again.
Okay, so that is the first part. I'm sure you can rewind, do some slow motions on that. Then the second part is the heart of the song. This is where Nhemamusasa is. Nhemamusasa, 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 Nhemamusasa. Okay? Nhemamusasa, 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 iyewo, Nhemamusasa, 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 iyewo, Nhemamusasa, 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 iyewo, Nhemamusasa, 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 iya-ohhhhhh. So this is the lead vocal only.
When it was really helpful when you showed us the instrument
with the
in slow
Mbira.
motion.
Yeah.
Yeah, just.
Nhemamusasa, 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 iya-ohhhhhh. Nhemamusasa, 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 iya-ohhhhhh. Yeah.
So the timing of your singing Nhemamusasa is the same as many people are already singing it.
Yeah.
But your choice of tones is different.
It's quite different. Yeah, it's quite different. So this is the lead vocal only. So we're now going on to the third verse. I may not be able to cover everything that I did previously in the song, but I'll definitely try and give you enough. Okay. The third, and I think it's the last verse anyway. The third and the last verse in the song says, hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. But I think there was Pereka, Pereka before that one, yeah?
Which fits exactly with the Nhemamusasa
Yeah,
timing.
with the Nhemamusasa timing. Yeah, I thought of that.
How can you play it with that thumb?
Yeah, you're thinking. What? It's very possible. Pereka, 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 mvura mukaranga, iwe mukaranga. Pereka, 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 mvura, mvura mukaranga, mvura mukaranga, mvura mukaranga. Pereka, 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 mvura mukaranga, iwe mukaranga. This one is a long one, might take you a couple of months to get, but yeah.
Separate those words for us.
Yeah. Pereka.
Oh, so that's one word.
Yeah.
But this last part.
Mvura.
Mvura.
Mvura is one word.
Yeah.
Mukaranga is one word. So there is mvura and mukaranga. Mvura mukaranga.
And then
iwe mukaranga. You're
iwe
repeating.
mukaranga.
There's
okay.
an iwe
so
then
you
mukaranga.
just need to learn 3 words.
Yeah, you just need to learn 3 words.
And the meaning
Pereka,
of that
Pereka, Pereka. Pereka is loosely translates to you know those clay pots, when you put those clay pots on our head, on our heads, and we're coming from the stream. Yeah, that is what it's saying. It's saying carry the water on your head and head over to the temporary shelter that you've built. Yeah. So Pereka, 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 mvura mukaranga, iwe mukaranga. Pereka, 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 mvura mukaranga, iwe mukaranga. Pereka, okay. Pereka, 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 mvura mukaranga, iwe mukaranga. Pereka, 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 mvura mukaranga, iwe mukaranga. Pereka, 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 mvura mukaranga, iwe mukaranga. Pereka, 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 mvura mukaranga, iwe mukaranga. Pereka, 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 mvura mukaranga, iwe mukaranga. Okay.
The translation for mvura mukaranga
is young woman.
Iwe mukaranga.
Yeah, like young woman. Take the water, carry the water on your head, head over to the temporary shelter, young woman. That's what it means. I think Nhemamusasa doesn't. My version of Nhemamusasa does not have backing vocalists. It's just the lead. It's just the lead going on and on and on and on and on. I think that's it on Nhemamusasa.
Was there a fourth part that you?
Yeah, there was a fourth part, but I don't want to overwhelm you really.
It's up to you. I'm happy for us to do the fourth part for this, so we get something fuller.
Okay.
Then you head home.
Yeah.
I upload the videos for the other songs, and in your own time you can do them, so you're not in a rush today.
Okay, great.
That feels less pressure for you.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do the fourth part. Yeah. The fourth part is hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime is loosely translating to your is it, what do you guys call it? Your uncle, like your mom's brother.
Yeah, uncle.
Your mom's brother. Your mom's brother doesn't have a field. Your mom's brother is not doing anything. He's not being productive. He doesn't have a farm. So what are you going to do? You have to get up and work on your own. This is what that part means. So Haiya. Let me use the Mbira for the right key. Haiya, woye, iyehe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Haiya, woye, woye. Haiya, woye, woye, iyehe. Haiya, woye, woye, iyehe.
This is all vocalization so far.
Yeah. Haiya, woye, woye, iyehe. Haiya, woye, woye, iyehe. Then you stop.
If somebody made a mistake with those bits and said yay or
it's still okay.
Woye,
yeah, it's still okay. You improvise, it's still okay as long as you are in key. Haiya, woye, woye, iyehe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Let's go over it. Haiya, woye, woye. Sorry, let's go over it again. Haiya, woye, woye, iyehe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Haiya, woye, woye, iyehe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Haiya, woye, woye, iyehe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Haiya, oye, oye, iyehe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Haiya, oye, oye, iyehe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Haiya, oye, oye, iyehe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime iwe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime iwe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime iwe.
Let's break that into separate words.
Yeah. Hanzvadzi is one word. Hanzvadzi. Hanzvadzi. is one word. Yamaivako, second word. Hanzvadzi, yamaivako. Hanzvadzi, yamaivako. Zvaisingarime. We've got 3 words.
That's a long word.
Very long word.
Again?
Hanzvadzi, 1. Yamaivako, 2. Zvaisingarime, 3. This is what I was trying to break it down.
Say that one slowly, that third word.
Zvaisingarime. Zvaisingarime.
Thank you.
Great. I think that's it for Nhemamusasa.
Was it just 3 words?
Yeah.
It felt so much longer, but the third word is massive. And just say the whole verse again.
Haiya, woye, iyehe. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime. Hanzvadzi yamaivako zvaisingarime.
You've worked so hard for us today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Our subscribers have asked for more Haiya song lines.
Yeah.
And it was kind of fortuitous today that I was in touch with Ziki.
Yeah.
I tried to contact you, but Ziki had your direct line. So he was able to help make it happen. Ziki was our video guy a few years ago. Yeah. And you were driving and you've given up your precious time with your infant. So we really appreciate it.
Great. I'll definitely finish the other ones. Yeah.
Goodbye and thank you to our subscribers.
Goodbye and thank you so much. Subscribe, follow, like and share.